In this little snippet, I'm going to show you how to make covered buttons. Covered buttons make any garment look so polished and beautiful. And they're really not that hard to do. They perfectly use up any scraps left over from cutting out your garment and come in pre-made kits, so you've got all the bits and bobs that you need. I'm using Birch brand in 1.5 centimeter size, and on the back it has a little template for the size circle that you need to cut out in your fabric. If your kit doesn't come with a template, it's just double the size of the button. So my template is 3 centimeters in diameter. Once you've cut out your circle of fabric, the next step is to do a row of running stitch a couple of millimeters away from that outer edge. Once you've got running stitch all the way around, place your button on top of the fabric and then pull the thread to gather it in. Pull it quite tight so that it's nice and taut, covering the button. I do a couple of extra stitches here to keep it in place. Next, you want to kind of push the fabric down into the button around the shank. The next part is probably the most fiddly, putting the button backing over the shank. You have to press quite hard to get it to snap into place or lock into place. I used the end of my pen, and that seemed to work quite well. And there you have it, covered buttons. If you haven't tried this before, I hope you'll give it a go on the next thing that you make. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet mini tutorial for covered buttons. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with the project that I used these covered buttons on.